Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first level to talk about is, I lied, let's talk about resistance levels first, because that's pretty straightforward. And that's just right up here at 0.065. If you're watching level 2s today, then I'm sure you're well aware that that is just where the price ran out of steam on a couple of different occasions. You can see right there, price, actually at one point temporarily got above it, but that didn't last very long. But very clearly, that's where the price congestion is right there. So 0.065 will be public enemy number one going forward. Good news here is, with the powerful final 30 minutes, being denoted here by this green candle, you can see that the price seems to be well on its way to potentially doing battle with it. It's not like it's got a whole lot of distance to travel before doing battle with it. So assuming there's no gap downs or anything crazy like that, then yeah, like I said, distance-wise, the price only has to move about that far to get back up there and start to do battle with it again. So we'll see if the bulls can fight through that level or not. What about areas of support? First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 4 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 4, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can maintain above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher over time, then the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Sure, staying above 0.04 would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So very nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this trend or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.